In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky section in Wix Studio. Step-by-step tutorial. First, open Wix Studio and load the site you want to work on. Head to the page where you want the sticky behavior and select the exact section or container you want to stick on scroll. Make sure you're selecting the section itself, not just an inner element. You'll know you've got the right layer when the section is highlighted in the editor. With the section selected, look to the right-hand inspector panel. Find the position settings, sometimes labeled position type. Before we switch the behavior, quickly check the Overflow content control. This determines how content inside your section behaves if it grows beyond the section's height. It's useful to review this now so your sticky area looks clean when it's locked in place. Now open the position panel. By default, sections are set to default positioning, which means they scroll naturally with the page. Change this from default to pinned. When you do, you'll see options for how the element should behave while pinned. Choose Sticky. Sticky keeps the section in view as you scroll until it reaches a boundary you define. Next, choose where the section should stick. Select Top to keep it at the top of the viewport as you scroll. This is perfect for a header or a slim navigation bar. If you want it to stick to the bottom instead, choose Bottom, which is great for a call to action bar or chat prompt. There's also an option for bottom and top, which keeps the section sticky between defined boundaries. You can toggle through top, bottom, and top to preview how each feels with your layout before locking in your choice. If you see the section highlight as you click these settings, that's a good sign you're still adjusting the correct element. To ensure the sticky section isn't hidden behind other content, turn on Keep in Front. This maintains the section above overlapping elements as you scroll. Take a moment to confirm your final choice. If you decided to switch from bottom and top back to top, that's fine. Pick the behavior that best fits your design and content density. When you're happy, click Publish to save and push your changes live. Finally, click View Site to test. Scroll the page to confirm the section sticks exactly where you set it. If it doesn't behave as expected, recheck that it's set to Sticky Under Position. Verify Keep in Front is enabled, and adjust Overflow content if anything clips or overlaps. Consider reviewing on different screen sizes to ensure a smooth